Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. It's TEMU Tuesday. So I have a lot of TEMU, y'all, and I got this package recently, and I wanted to show you this. I've been hearing other people talk about it. They've been wrapping things in plain, more, white instead of the bright orange because of the porch pirates. That's really a shame, but that's what they have to do. The way that they package things, they just, I don't know if they suction it all in, but they just smash it all together. So it's a little disheartening on some things because some things do get a little smashed. But I looked at everything and everything's okay. I've opened almost everything. I do want to show you a few. I just get a mishmash of things that I just like and whatever. This here was 87 cents. As you know, if you've seen my little short, I've changed a little bit in my shower with some shelving from TEMU that I really am liking, and they're very sturdy and strong. I need something to hang my razor on, so that's what this is for. And it's a suction, so I'm hoping it's going to stay up there. I have a razor from Refreshments from Ipsy, and it has a little magnet that is on the wall, but if you just, the slightest thing will knock it and it'll fall. And when it falls, the razor part falls off and it breaks. So I wanted to have something a little more secure than that magnet. So that was 87 cents. And when I tell you pricing, when you go in, you're going to see different pricing. You may see it for 87 cents. You may see it for cheaper. You may see it for a couple of cents more. That's just the way that TEMU is. But TEMU does, because it is an online shopping experience similar to Amazon. You go to the top and put in bath brush, and it'll come up with many. And you may see the same product, but it's sold by different companies. So one might have it for $1, another might have it for $2. You have to really scroll and look around. And then they have these lightning deals, and then they have all kinds of deals, especially if you get to shopping there somewhat regularly. They send you coupons and send you discounts, and it's just a lot of fun. So I also got this. I wasn't needing this at all, but it was a lightning deal, and it was 14 cents. And sometimes you can't tell by a picture what things are going to look like, so you just hope for the best. But 14 cents, I'm like, I can lose 14 cents. Look at this, y'all. This is hard plastic. It has a place to hang it. This is a body brush, like for your back in the shower, and it was 14 cents. Now, I have no idea what the full price would be, and I believe it came in different colors. I just chose white. And it does have this nice plastic on it. I have one already in my shower, so I'm going to keep this because I may gift this. But it's a nice big brush. And like I said, this is sturdy, and it's got a good weight to it. So, in the shower, you can reach your back. And the label is Chinese. I'm not sure if that's Chinese or Japanese, but Chinese, I will say. But it's very, very nice. 14 cents. So look for your lightning deals. Also, when you're in scrolling, first of all, when you go in, there's always a sale going on, a big giant sale. It just is based on the seasons or the holidays or different things like that. You can find a lot on sale, y'all, a lot. So next up I have, let's see what I've got. I have gotten a couple of little signs from them before, and I was a little disappointed in the past, but I've had a welcome sign up here. I just recently changed things behind me. But this one I thought was so cute. I'm gonna leave it in the plastic for now, but it says Crazy Cat Lady lives here. And it was $1.58. And it comes with a little burlap string, and there's holes in it so you can hang it up. It just is cute. I thought it was cute. I hope you can see that. I did open it a little bit so I can, but I'm gonna leave it in the bag for now. But this is, it got a little bent. See if you can see that. But if it's up on the wall, nobody would see that. Crazy Cat Lady lives here. I just thought it was cute for $1.58. So I got that. And I got some more stickers. If you are a sticker fan, you're gonna be so happy about TEMU. I don't know if I told y'all that because I've been gabbing so much, but TEMU has absolutely anything you can think of for children, for men, for women, shoes and clothing and purses and dupes, all kinds of dupes, all kinds of organizational products, all kinds of crafting and stickers. And they have these beautiful stickers, and a lot of people buy the stickers where they come like 100 or so in a bag, and then they're like a nice size sticker, but it's hard for me to peel them. So I like to get the stickers that are on rolls. That's what I buy. This was $2.19. These are cats, and they're just doing, I have a couple like this, but different styles. They're just cats doing different things. Great for my friend mail. And there are 500 on this roll for $2.19. And then this also has 500 on this roll as well. And these are floral thank yous. And this was $1.78. So you see how the prices are a little bit different, but these are just a real pretty floral. And let me see, they don't all say thank you, but some of them say thank you. Well, this one says, oh baby. It didn't, you know, so that's, it's like for a baby shower. I don't know about that one, but what does that say? It says love. They were supposed to be thank you, so I'm not sure. There's one that says thank you. Okay, Blue, come on through. And speaking of not knowing a size of something, I do try to look for dimensions. Can't always find them on there. And they have this little 6-pack of containers, 6-piece transparent plastic for 29 cents. I'm like, yeah, well, the picture made it look like they were little boxes that could hold like American cheese slices. These are them, y'all. These are them. I thought they were, you know, like this square. That's what I thought they were. But they're adorable, and I can find uses for these. So they're all together. There's 6 of them, you know, and then you can put your jewelry in there. You can travel with earrings or whatever. I mean, you can use this for all kinds of things. If you're just going out for picnics, for example, and you want to take a couple of ibuprofen with you or Tylenol just in case, you know, anything like that. And it just snaps like that. So, sorry, y'all. Blue keeps trailing through, and he's over here now laying down because I have some things over here that he likes. So let's see what's next. I have this gorgeous thing. Now, some things, it's hard to tell. As I said, it's hard to tell what's going on with the product until you get it. But this did have the dimensions, 11.81 by 11.81. It looked so pretty. It was just $6.97. I'm like, I'm going to try it. It's a metal wreath. So let me show you the back. You see how you can see it's metal, okay? And then it is, I would guess, maybe stamped on the front. There's nothing that peels. It's, you know, it's well crafted. There's the bird, and there's a little hole there. There's a couple little holes in different places that you might be able to hang it from, or it might just hook here on your wall. It's gorgeous. I thought it would be pretty back there, and it's got nice weight to it because it's metal, and it's beautiful. It is by Weiren, W-E-I-R-E-N Metal Crafts, $6.97. I thought that was a great buy because some of their wreaths are higher priced and some are lower priced, but I love it. And I don't know if I'll put it here or if I'll put it elsewhere in my house because it has colors that I have around my house, and I adore birds and flowers. It's very autumn to me, very September, October to me. So it's just beautiful. So anyway, there's that one. And I was just really pleased with the price. And then I have a couple of pillow style things for you to show, for you to see. This I got, if y'all know this cat, I'm sure y'all do. This is a dupe, but this was $1.98. This is a cat toy, and it says a cartoon cat design is what it says. And it's designed after Pusheen. So my cats will love it. That's what Blue came over to see. I did way back, or when I started shopping with TEMU, I got this fabulous, again, dupe. It's not Pusheen, but it's to look like Pusheen pillow. And I just have it on my couch, and they lean against it a lot. They do like it. It's, you know, a nice pillow. It's super cute. You can see there's fur flying off of it. And then that's a little baby to go with it. So they will really enjoy that. Blue is over here looking. I don't know if it may have catnip in it. I don't remember. And on my email, it doesn't say. And then I have this, y'all. Now this is a pillow, but it is, you know, like vacuum sealed. So let's open it and see what it looks like. It's for your neck. You know, with all my troubles, I do sleep with very well-made pillows. with cervical type of pillows, and that's what this is. And cervical pillows can be rather expensive. So this was $8.29, and TEMU offers you a 30-day price guarantee or match or whatever they call it. In the 30 days from the time that you order your items, if the price goes down, they offer you an adjustment. You just have to look at your order on the app, and it'll tell you if there's a price adjustment for your items. Sometimes it's a penny off, you know, but sometimes it's substantial. This was $8.29, which I was very pleased with that price, and I ended up with 2 price adjustments on here. I think one time was like 54 cents, and then another time was maybe 12 cents or something. So it brought the price down for me. So it is memory foam. This one is. They have all kinds of pillows. So it's going to be smashed up a little bit. I'll have to let it breathe, so to speak. But it has a really nice pillowcase that you can unzip and wash, which is very, very nice. And then when it opens up, oh, it'll take a little time. It is when it opens up, it has. Let me see if I can. It will fill. You know, it will fill this pillowcase. Let me see if I can show you a little bit. It's really smashed down pretty good, but you see how it has this curve to it? What you do is when you lay on this, you lay your back, you lay your neck here, and then that helps support your neck. So it's a smaller than it looks, well, maybe it's a full-size pillow, like a standard size pillow. It's just gonna take time to pop up. So yeah, it might be, I think it's a standard size pillow. That's what I thought I was buying anyway. But I was really pleased with the price. They have many, many, many to choose from, and many that are similar. And I just thought that that pillowcase was nice. And of course, I will put a pillowcase over it, but that's a nice protector for it. You know, look at how nicely it's done. So, and it is slowly coming open, and it's very nice. The memory foam is very, very nice. So I have some rather expensive pillows like this. So I wanted to try one that was less expensive to see. The memory foam feels wonderful, y'all. So like I said, they have many to choose from. So that is my TEMU haul, y'all. So I'm not going to show you everything again. It's too much to show, and blue is right here, and things will get knocked around. So thank you for stopping by, and I hope you like what I got. It's just, you know, it's just, there's so much to see, so much to see. And they have all kinds of pet items, all kinds for your dogs, for your cats, for just decorative things for your household. You know, this for your children's room. You know, I'm an adult. I have this in my house. I love it. I absolutely love this. I just think it's so pretty. It just, I can take a plain spot in my house and add a little, you know, a little color to. And then when you're shopping, you might find you a nice lightning deal. Something like this. You may not need it, but heck, anytime they have lightning deals that are under 50 cents like that, yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. 14 cents, because it'll make a great gift. And then these were 29 cents, and like I said, it wasn't what I expected, but I can find use for them. So thank you for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings, and have a fun TEMU Tuesday. Bye-bye.